Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about the 4 main things that I try to incorporate into my writing block every single day. So the first thing that I use every single day in my writing block with my students is I always start my writing block off with a bang. And what I mean by that is we always start with some sort of engaging activity. I like to do writing warm-ups, and I like to let my kids do free write for warm-ups. And this only takes about 3 to 5 minutes. I set a timer, I let the kids write about whatever they want. They don't have to worry about spelling, they don't have to worry about punctuation. It's just a really engaging, it hooks them in and they get really excited and pumped for writing. It's just a fast, quick, fun activity that gets them practicing writing and just gets them excited to start writing. So that is the first thing that I always do every day with my writing block. The second thing that I always incorporate into my writing every day is I do a lot of step-by-step guided lessons. And this could be a mini lesson that I like to model a lot for my students and show them step-by-step how I would do something. So for instance, if we are working on writing an introduction paragraph, I would model it first completely, and I'd have my paragraph all planned ahead of time so that I could write it out and talk it through and show the students exactly how I would write it. And it helps so that they can say, okay, so that's what I need to do. So it shows them exactly what they need to do, and it helps to give them more confidence when it's their turn to actually try to do it themselves. So a lot of step-by-step modeling. And this is good for, kindergarten all the way through 6th grade, because even 5th and 6th graders who have had a lot of experience with writing, and a lot of teachers by that age are like, oh, you know how to do it, go ahead. But writing builds on itself, and we want our students to become better writers. And so in 5th and 6th grade, we need to be modeling 5th and 6th grade writing expectations. And here now, this is what writing an introduction paragraph looks like in 5th and 6th grade, as opposed to one in 2nd grade. So it's gonna be different. So we wanna show them now how we're choosing stronger vocabulary words, and so we just wanna be modeling that for the students, no matter what grade they're in. All right, so the first thing was I start my writing off with a bang. I then use really step-by-step guided instruction. The third thing that I use in every day in writing block is we have lots of opportunities for students to share and celebrate their writing. And this one's really important because students, it's really important that they're sharing their writing. And it helps to just, validate that what they're working on is important, but it also helps to inspire other students and give other ideas. As students are sharing what they've written, it might spark an idea in somebody else. And, oh yeah, I want to add something like that to my writing. And just like it's really good for writers to be reading lots of books and lots of types of writing, it's really great for them to be seeing what their peers are writing and hearing what their peers are writing, and so that they can build on that, and it'll just inspire, and it's just so positive. So always making time to share and celebrate, and all through the writing block, after we do writing warm-up, the kids always get to share what they've written. And even after a mini lesson, if we're focusing just on writing an engaging lead, then I would make sure that the students have opportunity to share out either with a partner, with a small group, or even whole group sharing out what they've written. So having lots of opportunities for students to share and celebrate their writing. All right, and the fourth thing that I incorporate every day into my writing block is that I have a choice writing activity at the end, and I like to call it a writing cool down. So we start with a bang, our writing warm up, and then we end with another engaging fun choice activity, a writing may-do. I call it a writing cool down. And so this is a good way to end the writing. And so they have a little bit of time to do a choice activity that they are interested in. So maybe it's writing a letter to a friend, or writing a comic strip, or even publishing one of the writing that they've already done, or taking one of their writing warm-ups and adding to it. Or, just they can do whatever they want that's an engaging writing activity that they choose. So those were just kind of a quick overview of my 4 things that I incorporate into a writing block every day. So the first one was start the writing block off with a bang. In this case, I like to do writing warm-up, free write, so that they're kind of getting warmed up, they're ready to write, and it gets them excited. It's one of the most favorite things that my students do with writing. They love it. The second thing was that I do modeled step-by-step lessons. The third thing was having lots of opportunities for students to share and celebrate their writing. And number 4 is to end writing with another engaging choice activity. All right, I hope this was helpful, and if you are looking for any more writing tips, strategies, ideas, head on over to elementarywritingcoach.com. Over there you can get signed up for my free 5-day course. That's an email course, and it's all about how to launch writing workshop in your upper grade 3rd through 5th grade classroom. And I'll send you emails over 5 days that give you lots of resources, printables, anchor charts, anything that you need to get started with writing workshop. All right, I hope you're having an awesome day, and I look forward to talking to you more about writing soon. Okay, bye.